Generative AI Training by Tonex.
This is powered by Tonex.
This course is a comprehensive introduction to the fundamentals of generative AI. It covers topics such as natural language processing, machine learning, and deep learning. The Generative AI course is powered by Tonex, is designed for beginners and intermediate learners, and it provides a solid foundation in the principles of generative AI. Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that is used to create new data. This data can be in the form of text, images, or even music. Generative AI is used in a variety of applications, such as chatbots, text generation, and image generation. Who is this course for? This course is for anyone who is interested in learning more about generative AI. The course is designed for beginners and intermediate learners. What are the course outcomes? Upon completion of this course, you will be able to code snippet, understand the basics of generative AI, identify the different types of generative AI models, apply generative AI to real-world problems. The course is taught by experienced instructors who have extensive experience in the field of AI. The course is delivered online, and it includes a variety of learning resources. Learning resources such as video lectures, interactive exercises, and quizzes. To enroll in this course, please visit the Tonex website. Please visit www.tonex.com.